Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you guys have a Dodge Challenger, you need to find where your cruise control switch is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll talk about testing that switch as well. That should work on V6, V8 Dodge Challengers. It doesn't matter which year which engine you have, guys. Specifically ours is a 2018, but it will cover multiple years. So if your cruise control doesn't work, we'll talk about that as we go. So make sure to stay tuned and we'll cover very helpful information today. So let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts tools at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So what we have specifically here, guys, as we said, 2018 3.6 V6 engine. So let's go ahead, okay, and explain now where the cruise control switch is located. As you know, guys, okay, the main turn on and off switch, adjusting switch, is practically on the steering wheel, right here. But you have one switch that is known as a cruise control switch sometimes, that when you press the brake pedal, it deactivates the cruise control. Why? For safety, because you don't want your car to be accelerating when you're slowing down. So if you want to see how to replace this cruise control switch, we'll have a complete video on the channel that will teach you how to do that. In addition, guys, okay, if you want to see how to test this cruise control switch, steering wheel cruise control switch, we'll have the video on the channel as well. The other switch that we're talking about, okay, the one that deactivates it when you press the brake, is actually located under the dash. So let me get something to point with quick, something to point and show you. So if you look at the brake pedal here, and if we come all the way underneath it, guys, okay, let me just see if I can fit all the way there. Okay, perfect. This is the brake pedal. When you press the brake pedal, check out what's happening now. You have that switch, okay, right here, guys. That switch, and the arm is right here. What that switch does, when you press the brake pedal, okay, it will deactivate your cruise control switch. But that switch is known, guys, as a brake light switch nowadays. Back in the day, you used to have two switches there, okay, on older cars. You used to have that switch on the brake, and you used to have one switch, guys, that was there, okay, for the cruise control. Now, that switch serves everything. It's actually, guys, it has multiple wires, and it detects not only if it's pressed the brake pedal, but how much it's pressed as well. So if you have problems with cruise control not working, it could be because of that switch, that it's bad, or it's not calibrated. Even if you replace a new switch, in some cases you need to calibrate it, otherwise it will not work correctly, because it measures the travel of the switch as well. If you want to see how to replace brake light switch, we will have complete video on the channel. But you can see the brake light switch, cruise control switch, it's in one thing, guys, that the computer reads from and practically figures out what to do from there. Not very complicated. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.